Today we'll talk about how can you add your manual payment methods on your Shopify app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for us a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, click here on payments. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come to manual payment methods. Click on it here. So then here can you choose if you want to create custom payment methods here, just click on it here. So sorry, then it's going to take us to this list, and here can you set up manual payment methods in this list. And here are custom payment methods name and additional details in here payment instructions here. Then you click here on activate, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.